Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 10 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the palm rest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 5 4mm screws from the battery. Unwind the speaker cables from the battery and remove. Replace the battery and wind the speaker cables back into the grooves. Replace the 5 4mm screws into the battery. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 10 captive screws in the bottom cover.